Fajr. Time. Now.
I am a real Arabian, fighting for the right of every Palestinian. I am a real Arabian, fight for my life, fight for my rights. Let me tell you something, brother. Let me tell you how you can be like Halal Hogan, brother, and become more Sharia compliant. This is what you need to do if you want Sharia mania all over you. Not only do you pray 5 times a day, but you gotta eat your 7 ajwa dates. Yeah, brother, dunk your fly in your drink, cause one of the wings has the disease and the other one has the antidote. Ooh, yeah, that's something only Allah and His Messenger could reveal. Only Allah could do that. And make sure you drink your camel urine, especially if your stomach aches, and milk it when you take the urine and you take the milk. You got an unbeatable combination, and that's when you're gonna see the 24-inch pythons get bigger and bigger and bigger.
It seems we have a problem here. Yesterday I pronounced this house halal because I killed the dog that was therein. And yet here you sit looking at a picture of said dog.
Backpack. What does Muhammad say about pictures of dogs?
Backpack, magic backpack. I'm the Mega the Mac attack backpack. With this sack reacts, I'm like a maniac. I got stacks of facts to keep you all on track.
Sahih Bukhari, 3225. Narrated Abu Talha. I heard Allah's messenger saying, angels do not enter a house wherein there is a dog or some images or pictures of living creatures, a human being or an animal.
So it isn't just pictures of a dog. Allah doesn't allow pictures of any living thing.
This is a picture of my adopted son, Marco.
Well, we're about 10 days into our journey now, and I think now I'm starting to gain a fuller appreciation and understanding of Islam. Islam means submission, and Allah gives us so many small ways in our daily lives that we can submit. So that way, when it comes to submitting in a big way, we're already trained to submit in the biggest way possible, even if we don't like it. That's what's so beautiful about Islam. That is the power of submission.